This one. So we're gonna open this one. This is from Shopee. And oh, matabon na ka. You're so small. Marog be. Hey.
Ano yung titoy?
You can't use a scissor. Kasamad ka. Ako lang.
Ako lang open. Then,
Okay.
wow!
So what is this for?
Ilan na?
Ha? Para saan to?
Adoy!
Para sa door. Oh my
What?
gosh. So, gosh. Oh my god.
Ay,
Can you help me? Ayan.
let's see.
Okay, thank you very much. What's this? You do this, you do this. Okay. I don't know what's this. Oh, it's the lock. Move. Oh. So we have this. We have the screws. And then this. So 5 locks. Okay. So mo na siya ang main doorknob na naay. May also have this saluyo. Oh, don't touch. Mo ni saluyo, guys. And then the key, 2 key cards. Okay, I think that's all of it. So amo pa rin i-check among tanawon if it's all good. And then if it's all good, then thank you Shopee. But if it's not, then we're gonna return this.
No.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, say bye to my vlog.